Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive piece of engineering that combines power, convenience, and portability into one sleek package. Right out of the box, the quality of construction is evident. The frame feels robust yet lightweight, making it easy to fold and transport. The folding mechanism is intuitive, allowing for quick setup and storage, which is a significant advantage for commuters or those with limited space. Equipped with a powerful 1000W motor, this electric bike delivers a thrilling ride, easily reaching speeds of over 30 miles per hour. Acceleration is responsive and smooth, providing an exhilarating experience whether you're cruising on flat terrain or tackling hills. The bike's performance is not just about speed, it also maintains a steady pace, ensuring a comfortable ride even at higher velocities. The standout feature of this bike is undoubtedly its 48V 20AH removable battery. With a remarkable range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, it excels in long-distance commuting and weekend adventures. The removable battery design adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to charge it separately or swap it out for a fully charged spare on longer trips. The bike's design includes an ergonomic seat, adjustable handlebars, and a responsive brake system, ensuring comfort and safety during rides. The included LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility, making it suitable for night rides. However, there are a few minor drawbacks. The bike's weight is somewhat on the heavier side, which may make it challenging for some to carry when folded. Additionally, while the folding feature is great for storage, it could take some getting used to for those unfamiliar with folding bikes. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike offers an exceptional balance of power, range, and portability, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their daily commute or explore new terrains. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious cyclist, this e-bike is sure to exceed your expectations.